Yo, what up, folks? What up, folks? Your host, the one and only, Mr. Vegeta. Mr. Vegeta. Magnificent, sexy. We're about to go to Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. The other host, Miss Jamie. Let's go see what they got to grub. Let's Gotta get some Wellingtons. Let's do it, folks. Let's do it. It's pretty packed. It's a nice spot. They didn't keep us waiting too long. I was about to go play some craps and then they called us. So let's do it. Alright, you can scan the menu. It's fucking raw. Or they'll give you a paper menu, whichever one you want. Alright, folks, I thought I was recording. I was not recording. Alright, folks, I ordered me my Arnold Palmer. Y'all know how I love my Arnold Palmer. Some Coke. Boom, folks. Now we're waiting for the order. Oh my goodness. Got some little soup, folks. A little bit of soup. Alright, folks, we weren't done with the soup. They brought in our meal. Look at that delicious savory burger. And we got this juicy steak. Ooh. It's fucking raw. Oh, look at that, folks. Oh, so juicy. Alright, folks, we're gonna get down. We will see you later. Your host out. Much love. Out. We're all done, folks. That was delicious. We sure did kill it. Did you like it? It's pretty bomb, folks. They fucked up my Arnold Palmer twice. I drank it because I was thirsty, but it's the only thing negative I got about here. Just the Arnold Palmer. The fries could have used, and the potatoes could have used a little salt. But apart from that, we fucking killed it. We killed everything. It's gone. Alright, now we're out, folks. Much love. We're out. Alright, folks, I lied to y'all. Now we're out of here. We got this beautiful chandeliers over here. Amazing talk, televisions. We got poker machines everywhere. And now it's time for nights. Oh. Alright, so good nights. Now your host is really out. Much love. Oh.